So for the internal investment, I think the threats coming from Washington on technology have been the ones that are worrying Beijing the most. And as we've seen, that Beijing has placed technology at the core of its industrial development plan. It's in the Made in China 2025 strategy, the 5-year plan, the strategic emerging industries. So technology is really fundamental for the way that China is hoping to develop in the future. Now, as Trump is threatening restrictions on exporting technology to China, we've seen it with the Huawei, with Fujian Jianhua, and with the ZTE Corp, we think China is going to be doubling down on domestic tech investment to promote the domestic tech economy. Yeah.
Rory, the issue I have with that is so much of what they do already is not homegrown. They are relying on a vast amount of supply chain coming from abroad, be it from the US or be it from surrounding countries as well. If President Trump decides, for whatever reason, for example, to stop allowing semiconductors to be imported into China, what does that mean for their tech industry? He would literally cut them off at the knees.
Right, it would be very damaging for the tech industry there, but then China is having to switch to Korean and Japanese and Taiwanese suppliers. So it would strengthen the position of these Asian semiconductor producers, European tech producers. It would strengthen their position vis-a-vis China, and I think bring the Asia trading partners closer together.
So substitution effect, essentially, but
Absolutely.
Of course that's going to take time.
Yes. Has that already started to some extent? I'm sort of interested to know whether, we've had this drumbeat of criticism about the theft of intellectual property for years now, directed at China. It obviously got a lot louder under the Trump White House. But how have they reacted to that? What's that done to the way that they organise their supply chains, the way that they educate the workforce?
It's changed a little bit on the rhetoric. They're toning down the focus on perhaps Made in China 2025 strategy, and then focusing a lot more on domestic innovation and really throwing a lot of money at the key areas that have been highlighted in the strategic emerging industries and the Made in China 2025 strategy. So they're throwing a lot of money at it, and still domestic innovation is lagging behind the US, but they're very, very quick adopters. So as soon as a new product or new innovation comes out in Silicon Valley, it's very quickly adopted in China and implemented on a massive scale there.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.